Monday off in Ireland. It's a pity we don't have it here.
Yeah, good point.
We'll vote
So
for that.
I'm
Whoever
gonna-
sign the petition.
I'm going to bring us into the Gaeilge for a minute. So the Irish name for this festival is Lá Féile Bríd. And if we were to
Lá Féile Bríd.
That's it, Lá Féile Bríd. So Lá is day, Féile is festival, and Bríd is obviously Bríd. So it's a festival of Bríd. And the reason I do that, even though it's now commonly known as St. Bridget's Day, it predates the saint. So this is a very, very ancient festival. I think this is really important when we talk about how it could resonate here in Britain, right?
Yeah.
Because otherwise it might seem like something Catholic, it might seem as something divisive, but actually we can all get on board with this. It's been going for thousands
It's
and
pagan.
thousands of years. Absolutely, yeah.
It's in our nature.
That's it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
speak this one.
So
Speaks
yeah.
to me too, actually.
Yeah.
There's an element of mothering and nurturing and growth and fertility involved in the Festival of Bríd.
Absolutely. There's another lovely phrase, Cossan on Roth, which means as the wheel turns. And so what we're doing now is the goddesses within the Irish culture, and also if we were going to give a nod to the Greek, Demeter and Frigga also in Norwegian, is that you were just following around with the seasons. So this is marking the first of spring, and that is what it's alluding to. We are syncing in with the seasons, and I think we're all super aware of what happens if we don't sync in with the seasons. We have huge environmental crisis, but also ourselves, like we're going way too fast. I mean, I remember here very recently after Christmas walking into a supermarket and there was Easter eggs. So everything is speeding up like insane.